applications are open now for companies hoping to work around strict regulations and launch new products. Our chief political correspondent, Emma Withrow, tonight says this is all part of North Carolina's new regulatory sandbox and invitation council. Am I saying that right, Emma?
Yes, Innovation Council.
There
it's
you
okay.
go.
It's okay. It's complicated. So after almost a year of working out these kinks, the new regulatory sandbox is finally in the works. The application site is finally up and running actually this week. Now, this new process is going to provide a safe place for companies to develop and test new products and business models with the help of regulators who will guide and work with the company's needs. Take a listen to what I.
The companies will be guided by the Innovation Council, which is made up of 11 members who are experts in areas like finance and technology, as well as government regulators who are appointed by Governor Cooper. Charlotte City Councilman Tariq Bukhari, who's also the owner of Carolina FinTech Hub, was appointed to the council by the North Carolina General Assembly.
We all come together every single month and kind of take where the regulation is and figure out, okay, how do we apply it? How do we use it?
Now that the Innovation Council site's launched, they're just waiting for applications to roll in.
This is a way for folks to come in and work side by side with regulators and try and test and really have a nimble set of regulations that works.
The application fee is $50, and if accepted, each company will have to pay $450 to be included in the sandbox. North Carolina State Representative Jason Sain sits on the Innovation Council as well.
Citizens in North Carolina should understand is that their state government has said, hey, look, we want to make sure that we're not just doing things the way we've always done them, that we are open to new ideas. There's a marketplace for those new ideas to come forward, and North Carolina is that place. And ultimately, we think our state will benefit from that.
Bukhari says all different types of businesses and entrepreneurs are welcome to apply. The main eligibility requirements are that the company has a physical presence in North Carolina and provides a product or service to consumers.
We are leaps and bounds now ahead of the entire nation. The only question is, will the innovators, will the company founders and CEOs and executives come forth and bring us the ideas? That's today's call to action.
Councilman Tariq Bukhari also said with the huge cryptocurrency scandal involving FTX happening right now, it really highlights how important flexible regulation is for these new emerging technology companies for their own protection as well as the protection of the consumers. We'll have a link on our website for the Innovation Council application process if you're interested. Back to you guys.